After learning a lot of commands from the draw menu, we are coming to the modify. Suppose we have already drawn this kind of structure. What we want to move this circle onto this point and this point. For this purpose, we have a command under the modify. This is move. Click here to select the move. Now it is asking move select object. Say, suppose I want to move this circle onto this. I want to move the center of this circle to this end point of this line. So for this purpose, I am selecting this circle. Now it is asking select object one found. That means this circle has been selected. So for confirmation, I am taking right click, or I can press enter also. I am pressing enter. Now it is asking specify base point. This is a very important part of the modify commands. Base point. What it is? It means that which point do you want to place onto which point. That means suppose I want to put the center point of this circle onto the end point of this line. That means this center point is the base point that I want to move to this end point. So it is asking for the base point. So I am selecting this center point. Click here. Now it will automatically move. After clicking, I am dragging mouse onto this line. Now this endpoint is highlighting. I am clicking on this endpoint. The center point of the circle and the end point of the line has become coincide. For this I want to move this circle onto this line in such a manner that one quadrant of this circle will coincide with the end point of this line. So for this purpose, I am again taking move. Now it is asking for selecting an object. I am selecting this object after clicking on it. One found. That means it has been selected. Now right click to accept. Now move specify base point. Now as a base point, I am selecting one quadrant with the four quadrant of the circle. This 1, 2, 3 and 4. I am selecting this quadrant. Now I want to move this quadrant to this end point, and at this point the quadrant of this circle and the end point will coincide. So I am selecting this quadrant. Click. Now it is moving. I am dragging mouse towards this end point. Now, on this end point I am clicking again. So you can easily understand the role of base point.